Basket by Santiago. Inbound by Mamawag to De Los Reyes. Pass to Tapaya. 15 seconds to shoot. Tapaya pass to Mamawag. 10 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul committed by number 7. That's the number 1. Tapaya plays personal foul.
Out idol. Green gotcha.
Oras natin 4 minutes and 53 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz. No good, but a foul.
Shout out Team Maximus. Ilabas nyo na yung Maximus.
Committed by number 3. Sabre. Santiago ng pink out.
Shout out Team Troopers.
Salvador ng pink out. Punelas.
John Jervic
Maranyo in.
Ayun. Shout out John Jervic Maranyo.
Without first personal foul, second team foul. Charity shots given to De La Cruz. First shot, no good.
Pogi, lagi kinakapat nasa ibabaw.
Shout out Loyola. Ang yaman.
Second shot, no good again. Rebound by De La Cruz. 50. A traveling violation. Substitution there. Sahara out. Loyola in. Sabre. De La Cruz out. Labro in.
Sakit.
Yun! Nabuhay po! Ayun! Nabuhay ang Maximus!
Uli!
Intercept by De Los Reyes.
Sa ibabaw!
De Los Reyes pass to Loyola. No good. Basket by Tapaya.
Ako, sipag lang!
Araw-araw sipag lang.
Lagat!
Ayan.
Walang talon lagat!
Nice, nabuhay na yung Maximus. Ganda na ng
Foul
laban.
committed by number 3. Time out.
Time out.
Replay. Oras natin 3 minutes and 35 seconds left.
Gamit ka board! Bong! Gamit ka board! Erwin! Max 1!
Back to the ball game. Oras natin 3 minutes and 25 seconds left para sa ating first quarter. Official score natin 10-9. 1 point lead by Troopers. By Rosario.
Si Daniel, kunin mo si Bokol.
Basket by Punela.
Okay, gamit ko na!
Tapaya. Intercept by Labido.
Baba!
Issue 2 points by Labido.
Oh, Toy!
Inbound by Tapaya 2. Baya pass to De Los Reyes.
Kabila!
Nugget. Inbound by Rosario.
Walang sundot!
Intercept by
Okay, Mataranta!
De Los Reyes to Tapaya.
Kabila!
2 minutes and 50 seconds left.
Ilalim! Nice! Pogi! Pogi!
Basket by Mamawa.
Open lagi!
Ayun pala si Pogi. Nakakita na natin si Pogi.
Oh no.
Tutukan natin si Pogi. Mamaya.
Foul committed by number 1. Tapaya, second personal foul. Warning for penalty, Maximus. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 38 seconds left. Charity shots, give it to number 2, Labido.
Shout out, pamangkin. Tingin naman.
First shot by Labido, no good.
Pinaka-poging coach. Ah.
Second shot, basket. Substitution ref, number 1, Tapaya out, Sahara in.
Kawaba! Wala sundot! Ay nga agad.
Inbound by
Maman!
Bayaw. Blocking foul, committed by Maranyo. Maranyo first, personal foul. Second team foul.
Kaya mo sa loob.
Inbound.